Now and then, a new cruise ship comes along that rewrites the rulebook of cruise ship design. MSC Seaside is that ship. Seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor areas, it connects you with the sea like never before. For starters, on Deck 8, there is a unique waterfront boardwalk leading to this atmospheric aft pool down on Deck 7. As you can see, there's plenty of space for relaxation, not to mention superb ocean views, as the panoramic glass-walled elevators with non-stop access from Deck 7 to Deck 16 offer a whole new perspective. Now here is a feature that will make a splash with fun lovers of all ages. At the most interactive aqua park at sea, MSC Seaside will be the first cruise ship to feature interactive slide board technology, combining a water slide with a video game, all in one. Then, get the adrenaline pumping as you rush out over the side of the ship in one of our high-speed racing slides.
3, 2, 1, go!
And if that didn't thrill you, soar through the air on one of our amazing zip lines. Let's take a look inside. 6 dazzling Swarovski crystal staircases will take you straight into the heart of the ship's stunning reception area. Rising majestically over 3 decks, it is just one of the many glamorous venues on board MSC Seaside, where you can meet up and relax with friends and family, listen to live music every evening, and enjoy a delicious cocktail from an elegant bar. When it's time to get some rest before the next day's adventures, you'll find MSC Seaside is equipped with a wide variety of comfortable, stylish stateroom layouts for a truly personalized experience for every guest. And MSC Seaside has one of the highest ratios of sea view balcony staterooms of any cruise ship in service today. For the best in exclusivity and privacy in cruising, take advantage of the MSC Yacht Club. Located on the prestigious forward decks of the ship, it's a private club where guests will enjoy personalized butler and concierge service around the clock. The prestigious MSC Yacht Club has its own a la carte restaurants, a panoramic lounge, and of course, its own solarium bar with private pool. MSC Cruises is known for its fine dining at sea, and MSC Seaside has some of the most elegant dining venues at sea. This one is the Asian Market Kitchen, designed with award-winning celebrity chef Roy Yamaguchi, where you can enjoy breathtaking sea views while experiencing a mouth-watering variety of sushi, teppanyaki, and gourmet Pan-Asian cuisines. And this is Seashore, one of Seaside's 2 main restaurants. Here you'll dine on a sophisticated blend of freshly prepared Mediterranean cuisines and international specialties. It all makes for an unforgettable culinary experience. After dinner, it's time for a show. With room for 934 guests, This high-tech theater is the ideal place to enjoy spectacular Broadway-style extravaganzas, produced by MSC's award-winning production company. Each cruise offers 6 different world-class shows and late-night improvisational comedy. And that's only part of an exciting array of fun and entertainment for the whole family to enjoy. MSC Seaside has 3 outdoor catwalks that extend beyond the edge of the ship. These open-air boardwalks feature shops and restaurants and are the widest on any ship ever built. With a glass floor and glass railings, passengers will have the feeling that they are walking on water. Come join us in the Caribbean on the revolutionary MSC Seaside, the ship that follows the sun.
MSC Seaside welcomed a select group of international influencers during its first sailing. Here's what they had to say about this amazing ship. All right, now earlier today, Travel Zoo's Gabe Sagley was on the blue carpet talking to just a few of the talented individuals working to make MSC Seaside a once-in-a-lifetime travel experience.
All right, I'm here with Antonio. Antonio, what a fantastic night. The thrill is in the air. Yeah, I would say so. I mean, look at here, the weather is amazing, the ship is beautiful, so I would say so, yes, it's a fantastic night, for sure.
Let's talk about accommodations. We're catering to a variety of different people, from families to couples to even singles. How does Seaside stand out as far as accommodations are concerned?
Well, I mean, you said everything, basically. Seaside is for every kind of guest. It's an amazing ship, it's a special ship. We have every kind of accommodation. We have some special accommodation. I would like to underline our yacht club accommodation. I mean, it's a ship in a ship. That's how we love to call our yacht club, with amazing suites, with the butler service 24/24, with our amazing yacht club restaurant, and a lot of other like special amenities.
VIP all the way. Now, what about the open space here? I feel like there's a concerted effort here to marry the what's indoors with the beauty of what lies outdoors as well.
Well, yes, I mean, you can clearly see from the look of Seaside, this is a very special look, very new, very different than all the other ships, and especially different for the ratio of the outdoor spaces. I mean, very big, very wide. We have our amazing South Beach like on deck 7, Miami Beach on deck 16, and the indoor pool, the Django pool, and the amazing Lanai deck on deck 8, which is really like something new for our ship, but I believe something new for the cruise world anyway, for the cruise industry. It's going to be challenging, and it's going to be exciting to manage such a different ship with such big outdoor spaces. But I believe that especially for this area, for the Caribbean season, it's going to be amazing for our guests too.
Yeah, those outdoor spaces make it stand out. I've heard actually the MSC Seaside described as a sexy Miami condo on the water, which is exactly what it feels like, right?
That's right, yes. If you look at the back of MSC Seaside, as you said, like it's very sexy. It looks exactly like a Miami condo, like with pool, with the balconies, everything, and the panoramic elevator, like looking the back of the ship. Yeah.
All right, hotel manager Antonio Castellano, enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you very much. Enjoy you too. Bye-bye.
All right, Samantha, an exciting night here with MSC Seaside. A lot of what's special about the Seaside is, of course, the destinations in the Caribbean. These really lend themselves, these destinations, to wonderful excursions, right?
Yes, exactly. We have two different cruises running. So one is in the Eastern Caribbean and the second one in the Western Caribbean. So both of them with amazing excursion and a different and wide variety of shore excursions, which can accommodate, and actually they are created for all type of our guests, so families, sportive guests, guests that want us to relax, like sea and sun excursions. So we have really a good variety of tours.
Many of these excursions are exclusive to MSC Seaside. They're brand new, right?
They are, so that's the main difference among all our cruise line, like the other cruise lines, and especially on our MSC ships. Especially we have a bike adventure, which are different tours run by bike from our bike staff.
These are so important these days because travelers, cruisers are really looking for these immersive experiences when they reach each port of call. You've got to have that in mind when you're devising and coming up with these excursion options, yeah?
Yes, exactly. That's why we have created these new products created only for this ship.
Oh, fantastic. So as exciting as it is to be on MSC Seaside, is to get into each port opens up a whole new world every single day.
And it gives the chance to the guests to discover the world through our cruises.
Fantastic. All right, Samantha Giacomotti, tour manager on MSC Seaside. Let's enjoy the rest of the night, huh?
Thank you a lot, and have a nice evening.
Same to you. All right, Andre, fascinating night tonight as MSC welcomes Seaside. And a lot of the experience has to do with the events and the parties on board, right?
Absolutely, and that's where I'm really, really excited, because as cruise director, I'm in charge of entertainment and fun and good times. Now, we have a couple of signature parties that you might want to pack for. Don't forget to pack for our white party, always a signature event. Our Roaring 20s Gatsby party, you don't want to miss that one. 70s party, we have our country and western night. We have lots of events and activities that you really, really got to come see and really got to take part in. The more, the merrier.
Yeah, exciting themed events that are just part and parcel to the Seaside experience.
Absolutely.
Yeah? Now, you're obviously very active on social media. You've already been pointing a lot of the cruisers that have planned a Seaside cruise over the next couple of months on some of the must-sees on the ship. I've got my own, like the zip line. That's a no-brainer. What are some of your favorites on board?
Well, the zip line is number one at the moment. I had the joy of going down a couple of times already, and every single time it's an adrenaline rush, because you literally fly over the aft pool deck. It's really, really incredible. So you've got to give that a go. Slide boarding, brand new technology, where literally you sit on a board, so you're actually playing a video game while going down in a water slide. Don't miss our 5D cinema, full-scale bowling arcade, and our F1 racing simulator car that you also got to give a shot.
Absolutely true. By the way, on that zip line, I did it 3 times in a row. And actually, during the cruise, it's worth doing again and again because the views and perspectives, depending on where you are on that cruise, are going to change every time.
Constantly changing. Do one in port, see the beach. Do one at sea,
Exactly
see
right.
the water. Beautiful.
Obviously, these are events that are friendly for both families and also for grown-ups traveling on their own.
Yeah, absolutely. MSC truly is a family company. We're family-owned, and family values are very important to us. So we have unique activities where both parents and the younger cruisers can take part together.
All right, Cruise Director Andre Schlemmer, enjoy the rest of this fascinating night, huh?
Thank you very much.
Good to see
Thank
you.
you.
All right, Gary, it's a beautiful night for a launch event. The Seaside is being welcomed in a beautiful way this evening. Entertainment, obviously a big part of the MSC Seaside experience.
Our CEO always says there are 2 pillars for our product. One is food and beverage. The Italians are always known for how well they eat and how they enjoy the wine. And the other one, of course, is entertainment. People are on holiday. They want to have a great experience, whether it's at the theater, the aqua park, leave their children in our company. Really just do as much or as little as they want.
We want to escape, and entertainment oftentimes is what gets us to that escape mode in a big way. Let's talk about families, because that's a big part of the MSC brand, obviously. You mentioned that parents have the option of keeping their kids in the capable hands of MSC staff if they want to have a night out, for example.
We're a family-owned company, and that really speaks a lot. Anyone of Italian background knows how important the family is. And so it's very important for us as well. We would like the families to be able to stay together, and we even have a family buffet for them. But we also have the opportunity for the parents to get a little time on their own. And to be honest, the children often enjoy dumping the parents as well and being with people their own age. We have 6 different rooms for the children, according to the age group. And then there's a big area where we have special events that they can all participate in. The parents are often involved. We use technology. Obviously, we've got 3D printers. We've got interactive screens. We've got the latest technology. We have Lego. We have an exclusive contract with them. We also have Kiko, which is for the younger ones, for strollers and that sort of things, for the younger children. But we also have the human rapport. It's wonderful to go up there and see a Brazilian child talking to an American, talking to a German in their own little gibberish. I mean, they're not as frustrated as adults get with communicating. And then the aqua park. That's fantastic.
Man, you think it's for kids, but at the end of the day, you and I are going to be on that slide as often as
it's
any
for, it's for
little
kids,
one.
but it's for the kids in all of us as well. You know, as
right.
long as you can hang on and aren't afraid of heights, it's wonderful. It's 105 meters long.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And the zip line, 376 feet. The
There's
longest
2 of them.
at sea. 2 of them.
So you can actually
can't get
race
bored.
your friends.
That's it.
Yeah.
Well, listen, the entertainment tonight is just a snapshot of what is going to be part and parcel to the MSC Seaside experience moving forward. So, Gary Gladding, congratulations.
Thank you very
Enjoy
much.
the rest of the night.
Thank you for your time, Gabe.
All right.
Bye-bye.
And welcome back to our star-studded show, live from the beautiful port of Miami, as MSC welcomes its latest, its newest, and most revolutionary vessel, the MSC Seaside. We are in the shadows of the Seaside as we speak. And if you're just tuning in, perfect timing, because in just a few moments, the beautiful Sophia Loren, who has been cutting the ribbon for MSC vessels ever since 2003, will make a grand appearance. We'll cut that ribbon and we'll smash that proverbial bottle of bubbly against the bow of MSC Seaside, officially welcoming this gorgeous new ship to the MSC portfolio. It will call Miami home, and starting on this weekend, on Saturday, we'll engage in a series of week-long Caribbean cruises carrying thousands of passengers to some of the most exotic ports of call in the world. If you're just joining us, I'll tell you what you've missed thus far. This has been, again, a night of stars that have walked down the beautiful blue carpet in honor of MSC Seaside. Dan Marino is here, the man who played for the Dolphins, the Miami Dolphins, for 17 years, to announce a brand new partnership between MSC and the Dolphins. In fact, March 17th, 2018. A Dolphins fans cruise right aboard MSC Seaside. So if you're a cruiser or if you're just a Dolphins fan, that's the cruise you want to be on, with a litany of Dolphins players. We also had, of course, Yes, it's, Ro Yamaguchi, the celeb chef who's got not one, not two, but 3 different restaurant concepts here on MSC Seaside, which of course elevates the dining experience here on this absolutely gorgeous ship. Mario Lopez has been, of course, a phenomenal master of ceremonies, and he's been not only driving the crowd through this absolutely beautiful night, but has been drawing lots of oohs and ahs as well. I'm Gabe Saglier, Senior Editor for Travel Zoo. I want to give a special hello to our Travel Zoo members watching all over the world. Travel Zoo members love an MSC cruise, and we've got some exclusive content coming for you in 2018, specifically aboard MSC Seaside. So thanks for joining MSC's live broadcast around the world of the official naming ceremony of MSC Seaside. In just a few moments, the beautiful Sophia Loren takes the stage and welcomes this beautiful vessel officially to the lineup of MSC ships. MSC, by the way, this will mark, of course, MSC's official entry and expansion into the U.S. market and into the North American market. MSC started as a cargo company. In fact, MSC stands for Mediterranean Shipping Company back in 1970, got into the passenger cruise business in 1989, and is currently in the midst of an aggressive expansion, specifically here in North America. MSC is well known in Europe, well known in South America, well known in the Middle East, but it is now entering with gusto into the North American and into the U.S. market. So Seaside really represents a major expansion.
Ricky Martin!
Will double its deck capacity by 2026.
Oh!
Its deck capacity.
Party's still going on.
Euro. That comes out to
Hey!
$13 billion in creating and designing brand
Oh!
new vessels.
Hey!
And many
Oh!
of them earmarked for the U.S.
Come on,
market.
Joy.
MSC Seaside
Come on,
obviously
Mr.
also
Guy.
tipping the hat to Miami itself. Not only is it the biggest cruise port in the world, it also is in the midst of
Gracias, Ricky Martin and his wonderful
ships like
band.
MSC Seaside, in
Taking the
earnest.
party to the
So,
next level.
thanks for joining us on
Thank you
behalf of
so much.
MSC
Come on and join me now,
Travel
Mr.
Zoo.
Gotti.
We go back to
All
our
right.
start of the show. Ushering
We are
in MSC
getting
Seaside.
dangerously close here.
Mario,
Yes, sir.
many friends from all over the world, they are calling us because they want one more selfie with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we do that? Let's look for a good position.
Because Dan Marino kicked me out of his,
Yeah.
so. All right.
So,
Okay,
Let's see.
you tell me when you're ready.
you should take part on the selfie,
Everybody's got to
please.
catch their breath now after this
Yeah.
party right now.
So let me see.
All
Yes.
right, in a moment, you were
Yes.
serious. Okay.
But
Go ahead.
please, you will be in the selfie. So make a noise, say hello to
Okay.
everybody. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Ambience. Great.
Good one. That was a good one.
It will go all around the world.
Thank you. You're going to post that. All right. International right there. All right, we're about there, or the moment has almost arrived.
Yeah, we are very, very next to the final part of this celebration, and many more surprises and many more very important people are arriving.
Yes, exactly. Many more. We are waiting for this stages to get clear to really have the inaugural kickoff, have the champagne cut. Very special guests will be joining us. We're going to have all our VIPs join us here on stage here. But after you, sir, I know there was some words you wanted to say.
Sure. And well, in one moment, the children from the Voices of Haiti will be back because they will sing again with the maestro Andrea Bocelli. And it is one song that Maestro Bocelli will sing for all of you that everybody of us in MSC and all over the world have in our heart. So I think that will be something very emotional.
Exactly. And then we're going to have the godmother herself, the legendary Sophia Loren, join us here.
The godmother is
Who's-
going to come in a few minutes.
Who
Yes,
looks tremendous,
yes.
by the way, hanging out backstage, dancing and partying with everyone.
Yes,
All right.
you know that Sophia Loren was always with us from 2003 when we had the first christening of an MSC ship. It was the MSC Lyrica in Genova. And
Oh.
from that day, all the times that we had the christening, Mrs. Loren was the godmother of MSC.
Well, it doesn't get better than that. Oh, speaking of
Yes,
doesn't
here they
get
are.
better, here they are.
Good. Yes,
All
please. Your applause is for them.
A special choir from Haiti and the Andrea Bocelli Foundation doing such a beautiful job earlier. All the talent. Look at them, single file line.
Okay, our kids are ready. So, in order to be prepared to start the final section of our ceremony, we would like to call back Maestro Andrea Bocelli, please.
Yes, yes, please join me in welcome to the stage Mr. Andrea Bocelli. Yes, sir, here he comes.
Yes, please. All together, a big round of applause. Maestro Andrea Bocelli, thank you. And now the song that we all love a lot.
Sono solo e sogno all'orizzonte, mancan le parole. Sì, lo so che non c'è luce in una stanza quando manca il sole. Se non ci sei tu con me, su le finestre mostra a tutti il mio cuore che hai acceso. Chiudi dentro me la luce che hai incontrato per strada. Con te partirò, paesi che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te. Adesso sì li vivrò con te, partirò su navi per mari che io lo so non esistono più. Con te io li vivrò. Quando sei lontana sogno all'orizzonte, mancan le parole. E io sì lo so che sei con me, con me. Tu mia luna, tu sei qui con me. Mio sole, tu sei qui con me, con me, con me, con me. Time to say goodbye. Paesi che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te. Adesso sì li vivrò con te, partirò su navi per mari che io lo so non esistono più. Con te io li rivivrò, con te partirò su navi per mari che io lo so non esistono più.
Maestro Andrea Bocelli, the voices of Tahiti and the officers of MSC Seaside.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
We invite Maestro Andrea Bocelli to remain here with us, please, because the moment, emotional moment, is going to come. And before leaving the mic to Mario in order to call the godmother, I would like to call back to the stage, please, Mr. Pierfrancesco Vago, yes, please, the Major Carlos Jimenez, Mr. Gianni Onorato, Mr. Rick Sasso, Mr. Alan Clifford, Mr. Roberto Fusaro, Mr. Dan Marino, and I would like to call back Ricky Martin. If you are here with us, please join us, because now I leave the honor to invite the godmother to Mario Lopez. Yes, please, Mario.
Yes, please join me in welcoming to the stage Pier Paolo Scala, captain of the MSC Seaside and the one and only godmother of the MSC Seaside, Madame Sophia Loren.
Zooby zooby zoo. Zooby zooby zoo.
Welcome to our godmother.
Zooby zooby zoo. Zooby zoo. Zooby zoo.
Yes, please. In the middle, between Mr. Vago and the captain, Pier Paolo Scala. This is a nice picture for all the photographers. Don't miss this opportunity.
Zooby zooby zoo. Zooby zoo. Zooby zoo means that I love you. Here's a simple idea for you. Heavenly music and only for two. Don't need the words.
We have some flowers as usual for Mrs. Lauren.
Here is what you say. Zooby zooby zoo.
One more moment for the photographers.
Zooby zooby.
And one more big round of applause for our godmother.
Zooby zoo. Zooby zoo. Zooby zoo means that I love you. I can't explain this feeling.
And now I'm sure that Mrs. Lauren would like to say a few words to this beautiful audience. Yes, please.
Buonasera. Buonasera, buonasera. Bellissimo spettacolo, meraviglioso. Allora, we are here for the launching of MSC Seaside, which is also the 12th MSC cruise ship that I am the godmother, which means 13. Thank you. But the emotion is always the same. Sailing the seas is maybe the oldest way to travel, and it has never lost its charm. It is like becoming kids again to discover of the world. And now let's welcome with big emotion this other jewel of MSC, wishing prosperity and serenity to all future passengers of every nation. May they live moments of serenity and veritable joy aboard this wonderful ship. Buon viaggio a tutti, fate una bellissima crociera. Grazie. Grazie. Grazie.
The godmother of MSC Seaside, Sophia Loren. And now we move a little bit all together to the most emotional moment of our ceremony. Mr. Vago, Mrs. Loren, and Captain Scala. Ready? Yes, please. Captain Scala. Ladies and gentlemen, attention, please. We now pass the microphone to the captain.
In the name of God, Godmother, cut the ribbon.
Let's go all together to count down from 5. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, fantastic! Great, great, as usual, a great, fantastic job. Our Godmother here with us. One more, a new, beautiful MSC dream, the MSC Seaside.
Inside my bones, it goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. Come on, like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine.
One more picture for our friends, all the photographers from all around the world. Thank you, Mrs. Lawrence.
Good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody
And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to ask you once more, if you have your hands free, a big round of applause for our Godmother, Sophia Loren. Thank you.
something magical. It's in the air, it's in
And
my
thank you to Maestro Andrea Bocelli. Thank you to our captain, Pierpaolo Scala.
when I'm in my zone. 'Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops.
Thank you to Pierfrancesco Vago, Gianni Onorato, Mr. Jimenez, Mr. Sasso, Mr. Clifford. Thank you to Dan Marino. And of course, thank you once more to our fantastic artist, wonderful friend of MSC, Mario Lopez. Grazie,
Thank you
Mario.
so much, everyone, for joining us. This has been a momentous occasion. A special thank you to all of us who tuned in this great evening. For those here in Miami, we look forward to continuing the celebration. Backboard on the ship, the party continues there. Thank you to our live stream audience on Facebook, YouTube, and MSCCruises.com, and from all across the globe. Good night. God bless.
Mario Lopez. Thank you, Mario. And let's make a big round of applause for our officers, please, the officers of MSC Seaside. And I would like to say thank you to all our live stream audience on Facebook, YouTube, and our website for joining us from across the globe. Thank you, my friends from all over the world. And once more, thank you to all the Viva team who are so hard. To Silvia and all the friends from Geneva. To our friends from London, from Sorrento, from all the offices of MSC in the world. And, well, we want to greet our friends working on board of all the MSC ships, cargo ships and cruise ships. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, don't forget that MSC Cruises loves Miami. Thank you, grazie, merci, dankeschön, obrigado, gracias a todos. Thank you.
Got this feeling.